Okay, so guess what that's from? Well, obviously outside, but this is snow in a cup that I'm gonna eat because I like eating snow, and that's it. That was blade grass. Hold on, I'm looking for stuff in my snow. Okay. And then can't even see anything. And this is our back. That's a doggy. I think that's a dog. And this is our back. I don't want to step on the water, so there's water right there. And I don't want to step on it, so that's out back. Bam. Ooh. Look at that. And there's like a 5, maybe, wait, no. There's like a 3.5 foot snowdrift because there was one up to, I don't know how high this is, but I'm 4'3". I'm 4'3". Yeah, I know, that's pretty short. Especially for a 10-year-old. But there was one up to here on me. Right here. And again, I'm either 4'4" or 4'3". I'm somewhere either from 4 foot to 4'5". And it was up to here.
My phone number is. That's my phone number.
It's pretty high. It was bad. And also, I went into my camper, and I mean, there was no snow in there, but it's a pop-up, and there was like, and one of the windows by the bed was just a screen, and then a little thing you zip. I unzipped it, and there was a block of snow that fell from in between the screen and the pad. But outside of my camper was the one that was the snowdrift that was up to my chest. So, hope that helped you. Oh, and if you don't live in Elizabeth, that was just information for what's going on here. To be corrected, Elizabeth, Colorado. I'm not telling you where in Elizabeth, Colorado, because I don't know any of you. Except for my friend at school.